DIY with me. Today we are going to use some rub and buff, and I have these little curtain rods from my cafe curtains that I painted a stencil on, and I don't want these black anymore. I want these to be a little gold. I also got these curtain clips on Amazon, so I wanted to kind of match, and these are sold out everywhere. You can find them online. I think they're like overpriced online though, and I got the last one at Michael's. Hopefully this is enough. I think I have 3 curtain rods actually. So we are gonna apply this. Now, the way rub and buff works is actually like a metallic finish. It's a wax. It comes in different colors and I love it. I like to do it with my hands, or I'll use like a little brush, but I think this is like the best way to do it. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna definitely have enough for all 3 rods. I love little projects like this that make such a big difference. You guys have to see it. The before and after of this is gonna be so good. So this color is antique gold. It's a little bit more gold than I would like, but I think it'll be okay. And here's the difference.